I'm very excited to announce today that BitTitan has entered into an agreement to acquire Perspectium, who I think is the industry leader in data synchronization as a service. So what is data synchronization as a service, and why do organizations need it? As you've heard me predict throughout the last decade, we are moving away from those large, centralized, monolithic systems and into a more distributed model consisting of many different SaaS applications and systems. Even within BitTitan, we have adopted hundreds of applications that span across our own data centers and the cloud, and both created in-house and off the shelf. The challenge we and other organizations run into is that we need to duplicate the same data across multiple systems. Trying to maintain consistency of data across these systems is nearly impossible when done manually. And if it's not accurate, we could be making the wrong decisions as we move further and further into a data-driven world. Lastly, legacy applications. There are so many that still exist. Some need to be migrated with short-term coexistence into new systems. Some need a more long-term permanent coexistence with other systems. Regardless, this brings new opportunities for IT professionals to bridge the old with the new as the race for modernization accelerates. Now this is where Perspectium comes in. Their packaged integration processes enable organizations to have distributed data while still maintaining a system of record. There are so many benefits to this, such as empowering departments to choose applications that are best for them versus trying to find the unicorn application for the entire organization, limiting data within applications by controlling what is synchronized versus relying on complex role or field-based access control. Pulling data across systems into data warehouses for analytics, and even pulling data out of systems to back up configuration state or taking snapshots. Currently, Perspectium has a suite of products around the ServiceNow ecosystem, and I'm excited to introduce the same concepts to the Microsoft, Google, and Amazon platforms. If I were to think about the best way to describe Perspectium to people in the Microsoft ecosystem, is that it's like BizTalk, but built as a modern scalable architecture, simpler to extend, and without the complex server deployments. It provides a way to share information between applications or systems that are needed to work together in a business process. Perspectium has already proven their scalability with customers, doing millions of transactions daily from a single system. These systems could be your HRIS, CRM, ERP, finance, identity, and more. I'm really excited about the new solutions that we will be announcing together in the second half of this year between our organizations, and that our mutual customers can leverage to have an improved experience and ROI on their existing applications. Stay tuned for more. This acquisition will close within the next 30 days, and I'll be able to talk about what I believe is the future of IT and how we get there together in the months to come. In the meantime, if you want to chat about how Perspectium can be leveraged in your organizations for your customers in depth, feel free to reach out to me and let's get the conversation started.